Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a cute spot in Boksburg. Hope you enjoy the video. This is one of the spots, the grill. Funniest thing, guys, I have been to the spur right next to this place like a couple of times, and I didn't even know that this place is like right there. Hey, boo. I love some greenery. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. It really is a vibe. We're gonna love it here. How cute is the spot? Fireplace thing. Very nice. Yeah, there's a fireplace. Oh, I'm hearing water. Oh, good waterfall, nyana. Just loving all the greenery, the cute chairs. Oh my goodness. I love this place. All the vibes and the greenery. Welcome and enjoy. How beautiful. So this is still outside. Just look at that. And this is the dining place. Nice, so nice and chilled. This is their bar. Ooh. This is the ladies. Loving everything here. So gorgeous. And this is just outside. Takes you outside. Oh guys, this is such a cute find in Boksburg. Unbelievable. This is such a cute find in Boksburg. Love it. What was it? Types on as no, my chicken wings. Ooh. Just having wings. So yeah, we just had their wings. I don't know what sauce this is. What sauce is this? But it's like a little bit spicy, but not really spicy. And yeah, the wings are nice. They're okay. Zogi said wings are wings. She enjoyed them. So yeah, but they're okay. Our ribs are here. Yum. We are having these to share. Yum. My date is on a phone trying to figure out
something. Yeah, I was trying to figure out something.
What? Who sent what on Instagram? Hello. What? Who sent what on Instagram? One thing about me, I will do this mixture of tomato sauce and Tabasco sauce whenever I have something with potatoes, whether it's chips or whatever. It's such an addiction. I do it at home as well. Hello.
I'll see you on silent.
Oh.
So what time must I come?
It's nice that everyone is sleeping over. Yeah, I'm excited. So I'm going in. People like, yo, gives me a good time.
Okay.
There's indaba that are happening in the store.
I get. Over and get improvement. The one I'm going to tell me.
I'm not just wrong.
Guys, these ribs slap.
I've like cleaned out the bones and now I'm not doing. Of course, we had a whole photo shoot. Abo can't waste this backdrop. Betuna. Hopefully, I come to nonetheless. They also have an upstairs place, so I'm just going to check that out. Let's see. Fine dining. The Girl 120. Oh, this is so adorbs. Love it. And then the view from here. Okay, well, there's not much of a view. You can see like where we're sitting. Go down. I just love how there is so much greenery here. This looks like a hall, so it's not exactly open. Shots from the top, really, really beautiful. A view from the top. How pretty. Yeah. Nice and chilled. The 10-second timer did the most. Taking this from upstairs in my class. Yeah. Just look at how beautiful this is. It's really gorgeous. Hey, darling.
Hello, sweetheart.
Now your phone is in this abantu ama-bullets. I will never forget. This is it in the evening time. And they bring a nice fire. Oh yes. These are the views at night. That's their weekly special. So cute. Oh, this is Capaccio. This is the restaurant inside because we were sitting outside earlier. This is what Abo is having. Chicken caprese. Abo says it's so fresh and delish. Dessert, yum. I'm gonna take you guys through the menu so you can just see the affordability. Please bear in mind this is in 2021, so if their menu has changed, just check for the updated one. As you can see, this is their food menu. They have a bit of a wide variety, which is pretty awesome. So you can just have whatever it is that works for you. So this is their drinks menu. So you can just have whatever it is that you're into, and they also have a bar menu, so you can be able to order from that as well. And this is just the rest of their beverages. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do drop a comment. Tell me what you guys thought. Would you guys dine here? Is it a place that you would enjoy? Also, do hit that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. See you guys soon.